Today is your first day. Introduction to Power BI. Power BI business intelligence used to clean and convert data into visualization format like dashboard and reports. It application where we do visualization. Power BI tools. Power Query to cleanse data. Power Pivot data modeling create relation between multiple data sources. In Power View to create 250 plus charts. Okay, there is 250 plus chart. Okay, bar chart, pie chart, donut chart, just like that. It to share files and services on dashboard. Now move on. Next. It was originally designed by Rogers in the summer of 2010 and named Project Reset. Okay. Importance of Power BI. Okay, we are looking this line chart graph. Okay, in January 1 2004. Okay, its demand was very low. Okay, now after 2015. Okay, demands will be increasing day by day. Okay. First, open your web browser and search Power BI. Okay. First is click on Microsoft Power BI data visualization. Move on next slide. Click on products. First click Power BI desktop. Okay. Now you see download or language option. Choose the language you want, English. Okay. Then click on download. Okay. There is two download files. Okay, if your system was supported 64-bit, you have to click on PBI desktop setup, and if your system was supported on 32-bit, you have to just click on PBI desktop setup.exe. After selecting, click on next. After downloading, there is PBI desktop setup. You have to double click on setup file. Select language English and next. Click on accept the term and the license agreement. Go to next. Click on also next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you have to click on and install. After installing, you have click on finish. Install to Power BI. Okay, this is your Power BI desktop. Okay, this called transform data. If you do not have this option, then you are in older version of Power BI. There is filter option. Okay, if you do not have this window panel, then you are in older version of Power BI. Click on file, option and setting. After clicking option and setting, click on options. There is preview features. Now click check boxes whichever you want. Okay, there is Power BI desktop infrastructure update. Okay, sparkling modify visual, and after click you have to requires a restart. Go to restart. Okay, now moving to Power BI. Okay, after installing Power BI and opening, there is file open Power BI. Okay, Power BI desktop interface. The report has 5 main areas. Okay, first one is ribbon. Okay, we call it this one ribbon. Okay, the ribbon displays common tasks associated with reports and visualization. Okay, this call it page. Okay, this page tab area along the button allows you to select or add a report page. Okay, just like that. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Now we are moving to visualization panel. Okay, we call it visualization panel. Okay, the visualization pane allows you to change visualization, customize colors or access, apply filters, drag fields, and more. Next is fields. There is fields. Okay, the field pane allows you to drag and drop query elements and filter onto the report view or drag to the filter area of the visualization pane. Okay, now is view pane. Okay, in view pane there is first report. Okay, this is a report view allows you to create any number of reports page with visualization. Next is data view allows you to inspect, explore, and understand data in your Power BI desktop model. And third one is relationship view, and we also model view. Okay, allows you to show all of the tables, columns, and relationship in your model. Okay, guys, go to home, click on get data. There is common data sources, Excel workbook, Power BI dataset, data flow, data servers, SQL server, analysis services, TXT, CSV, and web. Okay, first we need to import my Excel workbook or dataset. Click on Excel. This is my dataset. Okay, this is your navigator. Okay, display option. There is three data: mobile, online classes, twice. Okay, we need to select mobile, online classes, and trans. Okay. If I want to required any changes, okay, you have to click transform data. Okay, like cleaning and filtering, and my data set will be okay. You have to directly load. Okay, I am click on to transform data. This is a Power Query editor. Okay, after loading my data set and transform data, this is an interface of query editor. Okay, query editor consists of four parts. Okay, first is query ribbon. We call it query ribbon. Second is left pane, and third one is center. Okay, and fourth one is query setting. Now you check here query setting. Okay, the query ribbon is consist of four tabs. Okay, first is home, second transform, third one is add column, fourth is view. Okay, we go to first home. After click home, the home tab contains the common query task, including the first steps in query, which is get data. Okay, There is new sources, recent sources, enter data, data sourcing. Okay. If I'm click on home, there is remove rows. There after press remove rows, remove blank rows, remove errors, remove duplicates. Okay. Second one is transform. Okay. There is lots of transforms, transpose, reverse, count rows, detect date and type. Okay. Transform to provides access to common data transformation tasks such as adding or removing column. Okay. Changing data types, splitting columns and other data driven tasks. Move on to add column. In add column, the provides additional tasks associated with adding a column, formatting column data and adding custom column. The following add column tab. Next is view. The view tab on the ribbon is used to toggle whether certain panes or windows are displayed. Is also used to display the advanced editor. Okay. Now data
I'm sorry, can you please repeat this view part?
view part. Okay.
View.
Okay, in view part, the ribbon is used to toggle whether certain panes or window are displays. It is also used to display the advanced editor. Okay, now move on to mobile data set. If you are checking in fourth number, there is showing error. Okay, if you want to change name, okay, just click on mobiles. There is properties, name. Just simply click and give any name. Okay, and press enter. After pressing, name will be changed. Okay, if you want to change over here, like there is name. Okay, I want to put on name customer. Just simply double click, put on customer and press enter. Okay, after pressing customer, name will be changed. If you want to control z, I want to back name. There is applied steps. Okay, there is cross, red cross. I'm clicking on rename. Now you can check over here, name will be displayed. Okay, if I want to remove error, simply control a, go to home. There is remove rows. I'm pressing remove errors. Okay, after remove errors, you can check my dataset error will be gone. Now press on online classes, control a, remove errors. Okay, and there is amount section. Okay, there is all null value. Okay, I want to delete. Just simply right press. Okay, there is copy, remove, remove other column, duplicate column. Okay, I want to remove. Just simply remove. This is my cleaning process. I want to remove this one and address also. Okay, now move on to twice data set. Okay, suppose that there is address 3, there is many zeros. Okay, if you want to delete it, just simply press. There is select all. You have to unselect 0. Okay, and go to OK. Now you can check 0 will be hide. Okay, I want to back, just simply filtered rows will be deleted. Okay, now go to close. Okay, there is option close, apply, and close and apply. Okay, I am put on close and apply. Okay, and now check mobiles, online classes, and toys. Okay, if I am checking my data set, okay, go to fields, there is data set. Okay, mobiles, addresses, pin name, pin code, state, online classes, toys. Okay, I want to check my data set. Okay, this is a report. Next one is data. I'm clicking data. After click data, I am choosing this mobile. Okay, my data set look like this. Okay, if I am choosing online classes and toys, this is my toys data set. Last one is model. Okay, if my data set will be connected, okay, then showing over here, but my old data is separately, there is not showing. Just go to report. Okay, there is visualization all charts. Okay, okay, this is a page one. Okay, I am using multi-pane pages. Okay, page one, page two, page three. Okay, because there is three data set. In your task one, you have to just visualize them only bar chart and pie chart. Okay, you have to use mobile chart, online classes, and twice data set. Okay, suppose I'm choosing twice data set. I'm just put in name over here twice, and after click. Okay, this is a my twice, and this is my online classes. Okay, and this is a my mobile. Okay, I am visualization for twice data set. Okay, first go to home. Okay, there is text box. I'm clicking text box. Okay, this is my text box. We need to create twice bar chart. I'm put over nm. This is a twice bar chart. Control A, size I'm increasing 28. This is a colored function. Okay, I'm choosing this one. If I want to bold, I'm just click on bold. Okay, okay. First, if I am performing any data set, okay, first of all, we give a title. Okay, this is a twice bar chart. Okay, there is visualization chart. Okay, if just I am cursor move on, okay, there is stack bar chart, stacked column chart, pie chart, donut chart. Last, this is a tree map also. Okay, we move on. First, we need to create bar chart. Okay, there is bar chart. Just press. After that, I'm increasing and decrease. Okay, this is a blank bar chart. Okay, I'm choosing for data twice. Okay, there is y-axis, x-axis, and legend. okay, small multiples and toolkits. There is many option. Okay, first I am choosing in y-axis city. If I am pressing only city, okay, automatically city will become over here. Okay, and if I want to put manually, okay, just click on pin code and drop and drag over here in y-axis city and pin code. Okay, in x-axis I want to choose state, just put on and drag over here. Okay, in legend I am choosing name. In toolkits I'm using address 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now you can check in my data set. Okay, this is a Mumbai data set. Okay, if I am checking my sales, okay, like toys sales in Mumbai, my paragraph showing this Bangalore, Hyderabad. Okay, this is a using for visualization, and after I want to just changes in this chart. Okay, go there is build visual, go to format your visual. Okay, click on format your visual. There is visual and general. First one is y-axis, okay, and is a x-axis. First I am clicking on y-axis. There is size. If I am sizing increase, okay, now you can check over here Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Okay, size will be increased. Okay, okay, I'm put on. After that, I'm also choose bold color. If I'm choosing bold color, you can check over here. There is color. I'm also choose many color. Like if I am click on blue color, you can check blue color will be come over here. Okay, I'm choosing black. Okay, this is a y-axis and next one is x-axis. There is not given any values in x-axis. Okay, this is a legend. Okay, position, top left, top right, top. There is given text. After move on we to general. Okay, after move on general, there is properties is telling for height and width. Okay, for this diagram I am move on to title. Okay, this is a title text. Okay, if you want to give any name in your chart, okay, you have to go to general, click on title. Okay, and there is chart. I'm choosing state. State address, address 2 and address 3. Okay, this is my heading. Okay, if I'm choose blue color, bold. Now you can check over state address 1, address 2 and address 3. Okay, this is a horizontal alignment. Okay, first one is left, If I am press on center, okay, my title will be move on to center. If I am pressing on right, then my title move on to right. I'm pressing on center, okay. This is a my title, okay. We can also, this is a effect for background color and many color. There is header icon for color choose, okay. Now we move on to pie chart, okay. If I want to same pie chart, we have just press this column, control C and control V, okay. This is a control C and control V. Select this chart, go to directly pie chart, okay. If I am click on to direct pie chart, you don't need to once again to put on value, okay. This is a my chart, pie chart, okay. Go to directly format your visual, okay. There is legend, okay, central right, slices, okay. If I want to change color on this, okay, there is slices and there is Mumbai values, okay. You have to choose another one, okay. If I am choosing Mumbai, another color, you can see over here, okay. You can choose on to multiple colors regarding your need, okay. New Delhi, Anand, Guntur, okay. You have to choose slices, okay. This is a detail label, okay, like position outside, inside. If I am pressing inside, the first this is a outside, okay. There is outside value, okay, depend on you. There is option inside, prefer outside, prefer inside, okay. Click on OS pie chart. Simply drop and go. Okay, and now you can check my twice bar chart is ready, okay. Twice pie chart is ready, okay.